Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ezinne here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cornrow really thick type 4 natural hair. So the last time I put my hair in cornrows, my hair was way shorter than this. That was like some 3 years ago. So I don't know what the struggle is going to be. Whatever it is, we'll have to face it together because you guys are already here and you can't leave me to go anywhere. So let's get into it. I had washed, conditioned, and threaded my hair the night before to give my hair a nice, good stretch. So, if you'd like a detailed tutorial on how I thread my hair for a heatless blowout, it's linked up here and in the end of this video. Okay? Here I'm just taking the threads out, and although this portion of the video is sped up for want of time, I usually take my time with this process because when it comes to my hair, being very gentle and extra careful is key. I went on to finger comb all 8 sections one after the other, and you can see my hair came out nicely stretched and ready to be styled. Normally I begin my cornrows in the middle. You can start on the left or right side. I just prefer to start at the middle because it kind of helps guide me to balance out the left and right sides to give it a more even overall appearance by the time I'm done. I like to leave out my nape area because of how tender it is. I finish the cornrow in a regular braid and then two strand twist the little area around the nape that I left out earlier on. I'm going to shut up now and let you watch me do a few more rows so that you get the hang of it. Halfway gone now, and I honestly think I'm killing these cornrows, man. Save for the lack of precision in parting. Couldn't see the back of the hair, so yeah. doing the last one now, and I am so proud of myself for not quitting midway. So guys, that will be all for this video. I hope you learned a thing. Let me know if you're going to be trying this technique when next to cornrow, or if you're going to, show it to your stylist to cornrow your hair like this, where your nape is separated from the actual cornrow, so it doesn't keep pulling and tension and all of that. Because I find that a lot of people pay attention to their edges, but they don't pay attention to their nape. Guys, these areas need the same amount of care and effort because they're like the most tender parts of your hairline. So yeah, bye guys, I'll see you in my next video.